guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are not playing a game, but it's going to be like a game, and we're playing Roblox, but we're playing the build your own game in Roblox. You see it up here written, and here's the Roblox date, and you put your real name in, your password, and then there should be downloading this thing called Roblox Studios. Then you can close this, you can open Roblox Studios, and here you are. So, when this is open, it's gonna open, there we go. So you choose a base plate, a classic base plate, a flat turning, a village, castle, suburban, racing, pirate island, western, a city, obby, starting place, line runner, capture the flag, team FFA arena, combat, movie simulator, or mansion of wonder. So that's a simulator, and I'm actually going to start off with this one, Suburban, because there's like cars driving and stuff. I'm just going to start off with this. And here, if somebody types in the chat a command, then here it is. Just type it here, and then fly or something like that, then it's just ready. So here's basically the house that we're going to go into. But here's the village. So we can add whatever we want. Is that thing, and here we just press create. I think yes. Edit. Sorry. Resume, and then select. Move. Oh my God! I'm so mad. Import. Edit. So here's add. You just add whatever you want in it, and see what I'm doing. Just this lineup. Sea level. So I want to resume. Now I think it's in this that you can copy, paste, save to robot. Oh my God, what is this? Cancel. So we're going to close this up. Then we have create, right? Generate. No. Import. Clear. No. Oh my God. Okay, so we're just going to press all of these. Let's see which one of them makes our thing. Copy, paste, delete, fill, rotate, resize, move, select. And it's probably edit. Hi. Go, subtract, add. There we go. Alright, we're just going to close this. And then we're going to go into editor. Right? We're going to go to create. Right? And then just type whatever thing you want. Test. You can test it. You can play, and I'm actually going to play and see how where I'm going to spawn and everything like that. So let's see. Oh, so I spawn right here. I can get into this car. And I can just drive around. Get in. Can this car actually drive? Yay. Yes, it can. Okay, that's good. Okay, right. Yeah. Okay, nobody is joining my server so far because I have nothing done. Right. So, this is just the car. I'm just gonna get out of this car. I'm just gonna get out there. Okay. And I'm gonna go back and search here. So you press play, exactly, then you press search right here. You search whatever you want. Let's see, search a car. Just gonna write a car, enter, and it's gonna, wait a sec, images. Okay, so you just press a car, and then you go, I think, into this. Just write car. Enter. and then just gonna find a car for you, and then just I'm just gonna get this normal car. Okay. So we got another car right here. I need another one, another one. So only includes 2 of each, right? Let me get out of this thing. Okay. Right. So there's the cars, and then we're just gonna go stop it, stop the whole game, and we're gonna go back here. So then the car, there's one of the cars. There we can put that away, whatever we want. We can delete that. We can delete that platform. I'm not gonna do that. That's just the grass template. So we're gonna go back into play. Play here. Yeah, play here, of course. Play and then do whatever you want, write in whatever you want, make whatever you want. And guys, this might be the end of my video. I'll just show you how to do a Roblox game, and that's on the video. I'm not making any Roblox game. You can also put a dummy right here. Dummy, exactly. He's just right there, standing right there. There's a dummy. Okay, and now we can put another neutral spawn, and I need to get out of this. And guys, it's the end of my video. I need to get this out. Right. Okay. So guys, both. Do you think I'm right? So guys, it's the end of my video. See you in the next one. And here's the dummy saying goodbye. Bye bye. And I'll see you in the next video. I just showed how to make a Roblox game. And yeah. So bye bye. Then